Today is a beautiful day. I want to go swimming. I need my swimming clothes, towel, water, and goggles.
Emma, be careful near the swimming pool.
Yes, Mom. I will be careful. Wow! The swimming pool looks great! Look, Mom. There are many children swimming. I am ready to swim. My goggles are ready. I am ready too.
Remember, Emma, walk near the pool. Do not run.
Okay, Mom. I will walk slowly. The water feels cool. Swimming is so much fun.
Good job, Emma. Keep practicing.
I did it! I made it across. That was fun. I need to dry my face. Lily! I see my friend! Hi, Emma. Come and play with me. Hi, Lily. I am coming. Look, Emma. There is a colorful ball.
Oh, the ball is moving away.
Oh, I'm gonna get the ball. Ha, say, Junsi, ha! Emma, be careful. Slow down. Emma, slow down. The floor is wet. Oh. The floor is slippery. Oh no! Help! I fell into the pool. I am scared. I need to stay calm.
Emma! Stay calm. Lifeguard, please help.
Emma, stay calm. I am here to help you. You are safe now. Sit here and rest.
I am safe now. I feel better.
Here is your towel, Emma. I am happy you are safe.
I am sorry, Mom. I should have walked.
It is okay, Emma. You are safe now. It is okay, Emma. You are safe now. Please remember the pool rules.
The floor is very wet. I understand now. We should always follow the pool rules. I must never run near a swimming pool. Yes. We should always follow the pool rules.
Higotfo, de presser rin skroftring.
Yes. We should listen to adults and stay safe. Everyone is swimming safely. That is a good idea.